Let's use elimination method for this question. For example, let's check C. It can be obtuse, right, and acute. Equilateral triangle cannot be right triangle because all angles are 60, 60, 60. It cannot be right and scalene. So it is not okay. These are not true. And what about B? B is also acute, right, and obtuse. It cannot be also equilateral triangle. We have eliminated C, A, and D. Let's check B1. It says A is equilateral triangle. A is only acute. It is okay. B is isosceles. It can be acute, right, and obtuse. Let's write an obtuse isosceles triangle. 140 and 40. It is obtuse triangle and also isosceles. So it is also true. And C is scalene. Scalene triangle can be acute, right, and obtuse. It's also okay. This means the answer is B.